it's Amber, and this is going to be a quick video to share some really cool chalkboard stuff that I found at Dollar Tree, and to share with you how I usually create my craft fair signs. And in today's video, I'm going to be testing out and reviewing these Chalkola chalk markers. So I'm going to link all the information on this below, and we're going to check these out here on video. This is not sponsored, but Chalkola did send me these chalk markers to do a review and test out here on my channel. So I'm so excited because, as you know, if you watch my channel, I do craft fairs, and we love the look of chalk signs for our craft fairs. They bring attention, they look trendy and really cute and kind of farmhouse style. So I love that, and I love the way they look. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to link all the information below so you can go get some of these Chalkola chalk markers as well. So let's check this out. It's really exciting that I found all this stuff at Dollar Tree. That's honestly normally where I get all my chalk stuff. So these are probably my favorite. These are the chalkboard signs that I'm used to make my Dollar Tree Christmas craft fair idea, and I'll link that below, but I'll also show you here a little image of what I'm talking about. I got everything from Dollar Tree, and I was able to make these really cute, like vintage, kind of worn looking Christmas wall hangings, and it was so fun. But I also love these for my craft fair and to make signs for those. I was also at Dollar Tree, and I found this cute one. It has its own little legs and stand. So I've got that one, and I love that it has a lot of surface to write on. And then check these out. They have chalkboard tags. And I use tags, little picks, everything for my craft fair to price items and to price little baskets and things like that. So I love these. And I also got the little picks that you can put in your garden for like your herbs and stuff. So first of all, here are the colors that you get. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm in love already. So I love the white one. That's probably my favorite one on black. I think it looks so beautiful. The white chalk marker on the black. So let's do some testing out. Oh look, and you get some labels with this. I love that. So on the box, it's super simple. Here's the start guide. It's shake well with cap on, upright, remove cap. Press the cap to and fro multiple times to quickly get the ink flowing. Recap tightly after use and store in a horizontal position. Press the tip to and fro multiple times. Okay, so it looks like it's already flowing pretty well. So that, let me show you. I didn't have to do the pressing of the tip because look at, it's already flowing out pretty good. So I'm just gonna lightly start, I guess, writing on here. So I'm gonna do lyric, lover. Oh my goodness, this is like a buttered dream. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, so look at this quality. This is amazing. Okay, I am hooked and I'm in love already. So that is the white Chalkola marker, and it says to recap tightly after use and store in a horizontal position. Okay, so let's choose another color. Cute. This is perfect for the craft fair. Look how it stands up. Okay, I've got to go back to Dollar Tree and get like a million more of these. So this looks a little bit porous, so I'm kind of worried. This one here is definitely a blackboard. Like, it's not porous at all, so it worked really well in there. This is definitely porous, so let's see. It might go on okay, but then it might not come off. So we'll test it out, but don't mind, you know, my chalk fingers. Okay, so let's try a pink one because I love going for pink. It's really bright. We'll do two colors. How about pink and green? So let me shake it like it says for 30 seconds. All right, so let's do one here. So that one is still white, so I think we are going to need to do the press down thing until it turns pink, right? let me stick my little scratch sheet over here. So now, let's see, we can say handmade items. Okay, don't mind my handwriting, but it's just, that came out really, really, really nice. These are like the best chalk markers so far that I've ever used. Okay, so let's get the green one and do our press thing. It just took me 2 times on the green one. Okay, so let's put a $, $3, and then a cute little heart, and we'll fill the heart in. This is the most beautiful chalk marker I've ever used in my entire life. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? It almost looks neon, and this is like, the camera's not picking up the true bright pink. Ooh, look at this color. This is a gorgeous color. It's like a peach. This is peach. This is so pretty. So I'm really interested to know if this is going to erase. I don't think it will. I think once you write on here with the Chalkola marker, this is like a wood, kind of like, see, it's wood, and so it just has like chalk paint on the top. I don't think this will erase, but that's okay, because you can just make these for permanent reuse. Just write gifts maybe. So let's try to do that. I'll try to print this time. Gifts. Okay, the way it goes on is absolutely gorgeous. I can reuse this over and over. I like to do a couple little accents. And I can hang that off of like the teacher gifts or something that we sell at the craft fair. So now we've got those 3 things tested out on this blackboard style, the more porous one, and then the wood one. So I think, let's see, these tags, these are the same. These are like wood. Okay, so then this pack right here is paper. So here's a cute tag. Let me pull out a new color. So on here, let's write something useful. You know what? Today's my husband's birthday, and I think I'll turn this into like a little birthday tag for him. So let's just see here. Happy birthday, comma, sugar. I call him sugar sometimes. Okay. I want a little exclamation point. That is gorgeous. I love how that looks, that blue color. So this is like an aqua color, and I think I'm going to do some like stitch lines around, or maybe I'll just do little dots. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this. And look, it doesn't run at all. Like, I'm being very delicate with it. I'm being very delicate with it, and it's not running at all. This is so fun. You can take a bunch of these tags from Dollar Tree and really decorate them up, and it looks like you painted them. Definitely not going to try and erase this one, because this is going to be used for David's birthday today. So isn't that cute? Okay, let's stick that aside. try to erase something off of this. Like, I'm gonna try to erase the heart. This is just like a wet cloth. This is coming off, you guys. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That came right off. And this is like that porous surface. That's crazy. So now I'm going to try to erase with the same cloth. I'm going to see how this erases off of this surface. Yep, no problem. Okay, so let's try the wood. I don't think it'll erase off of this. But we can try. You gotta be kidding me. Those dots just erased. And let me just show you what I used. I used these Ready Wipes from Dollar Tree. I've got these in my craft room already, and so I just went ahead and used them. So it erased perfectly off of here. It erased perfectly off of this one, like that wood one, and then that's porous, and then this is like really thin wood, and it's very porous, and it erased. This is incredible. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love these markers, and so thankful that they sent these to me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will definitely consider getting a box of these for yourself for your craft fair, for all those gorgeous signs that you can make to bring people's attention. So I'm going to link the Chalkola info below, and I hope that you'll go over there and check it out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed already, I hope that you'll stick around and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. Bye!